How was your honeymoon?
Why are you ignoring his new shoes? You see his shoes, but you choose to be unkind.
In England, they say, "Ooh, new shoes? What is wrong with you?" Say, "Ooh, new shoes!"
Oh, no shoes.
You see, in the world of fashion, brands often strive for a unique edge, a cultural connection that elevates their status from mere products to cultural icons. And one such transformation is the story of Clarks, the 200-year-old British shoe company, and its unexpected yet profound relationship with Jamaican dancehall superstar VYBZ Kartel. Now this video will explore how VYBZ Kartel, a prolific Jamaican DJ and lyricist, changed the trajectory of Clarks, turning it into a symbol of style and status in Jamaica and beyond. If you enjoy videos like these, give the video a thumbs up. The genesis of Clarks. Now the story of Clarks begins in Somerset, England, where brothers Cyrus and James Clark founded the company. Initially, they produced sheepskin rugs, but in 1825, James Clark utilized the offcuts to create the first Clark shoe, the Brown Petersburg. This innovative approach laid the foundation for what would become a globally recognized footwear brand. Over the years, Clarks continued to innovate, focusing on comfort and quality, which would later resonate deeply with the Jamaican market. Clarks in Jamaica, a cultural staple. Clark shoes found their way to Jamaica in the mid-20th century, quickly becoming a beloved brand for their durability and style. They were particularly popular among school children, professionals, and musicians. The desert boot and wallaby became staples of the wardrobes of many Jamaicans, valued for their comfort and versatility. The Windrush generation and Clarks. Now, the Windrush generation played a significant role in popularizing Clarks in Jamaica. Many of the Jamaicans who migrated to the UK in the 1940s and 50s often sent back goods to their families. Among these items were Clark shoes, prized for their quality and durability. This influx of Clark shoes from the UK to Jamaica cemented their status as a preferred footwear choice, intertwining the brand with the cultural and familial connections between the two nations.
Why is Clarks so engraved in Jamaican culture?
The shoes also found a foothold in Jamaica's burgeoning music scene. During the 1960s and 70s, sound system selectors adopted Clarks as part of their signature style, wearing them during performances. This period also saw the rise of iconic Jamaican dancehall artists such as Supercat and Shabba Ranks, who often reference Clarks in their lyrics, further embedding the brand into the cultural fabric. VYBZ Kartel, the dancehall innovator. Now, VYBZ Kartel. Born Adidja Palmer in Kingston, Jamaica in 1976, Cartel emerged as a formidable force in the dancehall scene of the early 2000s. Known for his lyrical prowess and charismatic stage presence, his influence extended beyond music, impacting fashion and culture in profound ways. In 2010, VYBZ Kartel released the song titled Clarks,
Real bad man, no muggle in a shot. Straight jeans, cut up.
An ode to the brand that celebrated its style and status. The song became an instant hit, resonating with fans across Jamaica and the diaspora. With lyrics that praised Clark shoes for their quality and cool factor, Cartel catapulted the brand to new heights of popularity. The impact of Clarks was immediate and far-reaching. Sales of Clarks shoes soared in Jamaica and other markets influenced by Jamaican culture. Cartel's endorsement was so powerful that it sparked discussions about a potential official collaboration between the artist and the Clarks company. Although such a partnership never materialized, the song's influence was undeniable. Cartel's lyrical genius and cultural clout transformed the Clarks from a respected shoe brand into a must-have item of fashion. The Desert Boot and Wallaby, already popular, saw a resurgence as young people flocked to stores to emulate their favorite dancehall star. This phenomenon highlighted the symbiotic relationship between music and fashion, with Cartel's endorsement giving Clarks a contemporary edge. From bun to boom, Clarks in Jamaican politics. Interestingly, Clarks shoes were once banned in Jamaica during the tenure of Prime Minister Michael Manley. The ban was part of a broader effort to reduce imports and promote local products, but it also had social undertones, as Clarks had become associated with certain social groups perceived as rebellious. Despite the ban, enterprising Jamaicans found ways to import Clarks shoes illegally, maintaining their popularity and cultural significance. Now, decades later, the narrative has shifted dramatically, with Prime Minister Andrew Holness seen sporting Clarks, a testament to the brand's enduring appeal and changing perceptions. This shift underscores how cultural icons can transcend political boundaries and evolve in their significance. VYBZ Kartel's influence on Clarks extended beyond mere sales. He cemented the brand's place in Jamaican culture, making it a symbol of status, identity, and pride. For many Jamaicans, wearing Clarks became more than a fashion statement. It was a declaration of cultural allegiance and a nod to their musical heritage. Cartel turned Clarks from a ghetto shoe into an emblem of class and style. His endorsement and the resulting craze elevated the brand's status, transforming it into a coveted item across various social strata. Now, imagine if VYBZ Kartel had signed an official licensing deal with Clarks. Such a partnership could have opened new avenues for both the artist and the brand, merging musical and fashion markets in unprecedented ways. Also, VYBZ Kartel maybe wouldn't go to jail. While this collaboration remained a tantalizing what if, it underscores the transformative power of cultural icons in shaping local brands. The story of VYBZ Kartel and Clarks is a testament to the power of cultural influence and the unexpected ways in which it can shape global brands. Cartel, through his music and personal style, changed the face of Clarks, making it an enduring symbol of Jamaican culture. If you found this video interesting or informative, please give it a thumbs up. If me left out nothing, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, you're missing out. So click the subscribe button and also the bell icon to turn on notifications so that whenever time you upload new video, you're going to be one of the first to be notified. As always, see you soon on Elite Jamaica. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Goodbye. Bless.
Experience the ultimate entertainment with our premium IPTV services in Jamaica. Enjoy instant access to over 17,000 live TV channels, including popular local channels like TVJ and CVM, as well as a wide range of international HD, UHD, and 4K channels. Whether you are a fan of news, sports, movies, or TV series, Our service offers an unparalleled viewing experience. Dive into a vast library of over 50,000 of the latest movies and TV series in stunning 4K and HD quality. Our user-friendly platform ensures you never miss a moment of your favorite shows, providing a seamless and high-quality streaming experience. Elevate your home entertainment with the best IPTV service in Jamaica, bringing you closer to the content you love anytime, anywhere. Join thousands of satisfied customers and transform the way you watch TV today.